Good morning and welcome my dear students to this video subject session of maths. But today we are going to discuss one of the question on page number 13. What does it say, students? Answer the following questions on the basis of the table given below. What we have to do, students? यहाँ पर एक table दिया हुआ है and here are some of the questions given. So we'll try to answer these questions according to this table, but let us understand this table first. First column which is given is the type of the vehicle. Second is capacity to carry mangoes in one trip, and third is speed of the vehicle per hour. क्या दिया हुआ है स्टूडेंट्स? तो एक बुलक कार्ट है, बुलक कार्ट की कितनी कैपेसिटी है एक बार में मैंगो ले जाने की? बुलक कार्ट कैन कैरी 200 kg ऑफ द मैंगोज, और वो कितनी आवर की स्पीड से चलती है? तो बुलक कार्ट 1 आवर में 5 किलोमीटर से चलती है, एंड वी नो दैट सबसे स्लो होती है बुलक कार्ट. अ टेम्पो रिक्शा, टेम्पो रिक्शा हाउ मच इट कैन कैरी 700 kg. वी नो दैट टेम्पो रिक्शा जो होती है वो एक बार में 700 kg ले सकती है, एंड 1 आवर में टेम्पो रिक्शा हाउ मच डिस्टेंस इट कैन कवर? 15 किलोमीटर. अ ट्रैक्टर कैन कैरी 1000 kg ऑफ द मैंगोज, यानी एक ट्रैक्टर के अंदर हम 1000 kg ऑफ द मैंगोज रख सकते हैं. और ट्रैक्टर 1 आवर में कितना कवर करता है डिस्टेंस? इट कैन कवर 25 किलोमीटर. और ट्रक कितना वेट कवर कर सकती है? 6000 kg ऑफ द मैंगोज. ट्रक का 1 आवर का डिस्टेंस कवरेज कितना होगा? 45 किलोमीटर. नाउ वी विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. व्हाट इज गिवन हियर? हाउ मच मैंगोज विल अ बुलक कार्ट कैरी इन 3 ट्रिप्स? स्टूडेंट्स वेरी सिंपल. 1 ट्रिप के अंदर जो बुलक कार्ट है वो 200 kg कैरी कर रही है, तो 3 ट्रिप्स के अंदर हाउ मच इट कैन कैरी? सो फॉर दिस स्टूडेंट्स व्हाट वी विल डू हियर, विल मल्टीप्लाई 200 विथ 3, यानी कि 200 kg और 3 ट्रिप्स हमें दी हुई है. सो 3 0 0, 3 0 0, 3 2 6. इट मीन्स बुलक कार्ट कैन कैरी 600 kgs of mangoes. Is it clear, students? Let us do the next question. How much mangoes will a tractor carry in 5 trips? Now let us see in the picture. A tractor can carry 1000 kg in 1 trip. 1 trip is equals to 1000 kgs. So 5 trips यानी कि कितना हुआ स्टूडेंट्स? सो नाउ स्टूडेंट्स विल डू द मल्टीप्लीकेशन. इट मीन्स 1000 kg इन 1 ट्रिप. सो 5 ट्रिप्स के लिए 0 0 0 and 5 ones are 5. So what I will write here? So tractor can carry 5000 kgs in 5 trips. Let us do the next sum. What distance will a tempo rickshaw travel in 4 hours? टेम्पो रिक्शा 4 hours के अंदर, ये जो टेम्पो रिक्शा दिया हुआ है, so how much distance will it travel in 4 hours? Now students, I know that a tempo rickshaw can travel in 1 hour 15 kilometer. तो 4 hours के अंदर how much it can travel? So 15 kilometer into 4 hours is 4 5s are 20 and 4 1s are 4 plus 2. So a tempo rickshaw can travel 60 kilometers in 4 hours. Is it clear, students? These are very simple sum, students. What distance will a truck travel in 2 hours? तो ट्रक 1 किलोमीटर 1 आवर के अंदर 25 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल कर रही है. तो अब हम यहाँ पर आंसर लिखेंगे कि 1 आवर a truck can travel 45, not नॉट 25 तो ट्रैक्टर का है 45. अ ट्रक कैन ट्रैवल 45 किलोमीटर इन 1 आवर. सो 2 आवर्स के अंदर how much it can travel. So what I will do students here, 45 into 2, 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8 and 1 9. So what I will write here students, so truck can travel 90 kilometers in 2 hours. Is it clear students? Next is how much time will a bullock cart take to travel the distance of 70 kilometer. कि bullock cart को 70 किलोमीटर, चलो bullock cart की कितनी है स्पीड 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर. Now what I will do students here कि bullock cart if it is covering 5 kilometer in 1 hour, so 70 किलोमीटर कवर करने के लिए how much time it will take. Students, remember one thing, when information of one is given and you have to find out many, at that time you are doing multiplication. But अभी हमें few की information दी है और मुझे पूछा हुआ है many की, तो now what I will do students here, I will do the division. It means 70 divided by 5, 5 ones are 5, 7 minus 5 is 2, 0, 5 fours are 20, 0 0 would be remainder. So what I will write here students, so bullock cart take 14 hours to travel 70 kilometer. Is it clear students? Let's do the last question on the page number 14. What does it say students? How much time will a tractor take to travel the distance of 100 kilometer? चलो हम देखते हैं कि ट्रैक्टर 1 आवर में ट्रैवल करता है 25 किलोमीटर. Now we have been given here, तो what we have to find out here students कि 25 kilometer is equals to 1 hour. HR means hour students. So tractor is traveling 100 kilometer in how many hours it will travel. So students, again I will do the division here, 25. Now 25 table you must know students. I know that 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are, if you are not knowing this you can do it like in your rough book, 25 threes are 5 threes are 15, 1 3 twos are 6, 1 7. I have to find out 100, so I will do it here students. 25 into 4s are 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8 plus 10 is 100. So 25 4s are 100. So students, what is the answer here? 4 is the answer here students. So tractor can take, so tractor can take students, so students a tractor can take 4 hours to travel 100 kilometer. Is it okay students? This is the sum that we have done in the today's exercise students. Let us look at here, which is there given on the page number 13. Okay students, so now students, this you have to do it in your workbook today. Now students, there is one homework which I wanted to give you in this session. So for that homework you must come to the page number 8 of the workbook. What is given students? Draw a design on the basis of the designs of mango given below. Students, these are the designs of the mangoes. Now exactly this is the mango shape, this is also the mango shape, and this is the rangoli shape that we are doing in the season of Diwali. What you can do students, here you have to draw a mango. यहाँ पर मैंगो ड्रॉ करना है और ये जो डिजाइन्स है, दिस डिजाइन्स यू कैन यूज, यहाँ पर यूज करके इन डिजाइन्स को you can draw 2 mangoes here, one here and one here, and different designs you will do here. So this is your homework for today's session on page number 8 of the workbook. Okay, students, draw the mangoes and design and send the pic to me on this number, students. So for today's session, thank you. Have a nice day to all.